How to make clear and black organic palm kernel oil. This is a very good oil and is the best alternative to coconut oil. Today we are going to be making a DIY palm kernel oil and its uses. Wow, look at that! It's so amazing to see the falling of palm kernel fruit, but it's dangerous to sit under the tree of palm kernel. The making of the palm kernel oil begins with the breaking of the palm kernel shell to get the palm kernel fruit. I tell you, it's a tedious job. I didn't do it myself. My mother-in-law helped me in breaking the hard shell of the palm kernel. We begin by adding the quantity we desire into a pot and begin to stir the nuts. You stir because you wouldn't want it to get burnt without emitting the oil. After a while, the oil begins to come out. You can now strain the oil. You just have to strain the oil before it gets cold. If not, the kernel is going to suck out the oil. So you strain out while it's still hot. Now that takes us to the second method, which is the clear organic palm kernel oil. I prefer that one because of the color. Palm kernel is harder than coconut, so I wouldn't want to risk my blender. I then took it to a nearby grinding engine to bring it into this powder form. Now you pour the grinded palm kernel powder into the pot, add water into the grinded palm kernel powder. You add water to the beam, as in let the water go above the palm kernel powder. Then you use a turning stick or whatever you can use, your spoon, to turn the mixture properly. Cover it and allow it to boil to emit its oil. It's been boiling for like 30 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. Yes, this is it. The oils are out now. So now the third step is for us to pour it into a clear bowl and refrigerate it. It takes about 30 minutes for the oil and the water to separate themselves. So while we wait for the palm kernel oil to freeze, let's quickly take a look at the benefits of palm kernel oil. Health benefits of palm kernel oils are priceless. It prevents and heals life-threatening illnesses. It's good for both internal and external uses. Palm kernel oil is free of cholesterol. It has 80% saturated fats and 20% unsaturated fats. That's why it's a heart-friendly oil. It helps in promoting hair growth because it has lipids, vitamin E, vitamin A in it. It's a great remedy for epilepsy. It helps prevent aging. It helps detoxify the entire body system. It helps in softening the skin. It prevents rashes. It helps in controlling blood pressure. It helps to tackle body odor. It's used for children that's finding it hard to pass excreta. It is used in bringing down high temperature in children. It's used to soften cough in the lungs and nostrils. It's used in the manufacturing industry, in beverages and confectionaries. It's used in skin and beauty industry to make soap and cream. It is used in treating abdominal pain in children and adults. It is also used for the relief of constipation and ear infection. So it's time for us to look at what our kernel oil is doing in the refrigerator. The oil is now freeze and separate itself from the water. So now is for us to scoop the oil out of the water and continue with the process. You can see the water for yourself. The oil is now freeze. Now we'll scoop it out. Thank you so much for being part of my community. I appreciate you guys a lot. Now, if you've been enjoying the video so far so good, please click on the subscribe button and click on all to get future notification of all my future videos. Like, share, come back and comment, and see you on the greater side of life. Do go into nature and do your own research. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.